Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the next episode of Audible from Jakarta Flag Football. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to interview two girls from the Jakarta Women's Flag Football. Jadi Sabtu kemarin kita sempat ada pre-season di mana 5 teams from the YFF competed for a day. Nah, kebetulan to the finals we have Dracarys and Warwolves, and we have both girls today representing Dracarys and Warwolves. Nice. First, we've got Sisi, who's representing the Dracarys, wide receiver position. She's got a lot under her belt. Jadi dia udah sempat main di Foxes A for Jogja kemarin. She plays for Flaming Corn, which is WFF's tourney Laugh and Love. She went to the semifinals. She also went to Bali and represented Indonesia Blue. And again for Foxes A in Merdeka Bowl, in which she was the champion. Congratulations. And she made the Timnas and Dracarys, Nona Batavia and Dracarys twice, I guess. And she was the champion yesterday over Galuh, I guess. Okay. Next, we got Galuh for the Werewolves. She is playing DB, I guess. So you're in charge of stopping her.
Yes.
Right?
She didn't.
She didn't?
Failed miserably.
We just started, girls. Cool. She also has a lot on her belt. She played for Foxes A twice, actually, in July and December. She also played QB, I guess. So, anyways, how are you girls today?
Amazing. Happy to be here. Anjay.
Ya, amazing juga deh.
Slightly different because
Bahasa Indonesia?
Ya, ini bahasa please.
Oh yes, very good.
Iya.
Oke. Nah, kemarin kan kita baru ngelakuin pre-season. Nah, terakhir kali kalian compete itu ada di 2023. How did you prepare in the off season? Mungkin kita mulai dari Galuh dulu.
Yang kalah dulu berarti. Sorry. Off season kita biasa aja sih latihan-latihan, tapi paling kayak seminggu sekali tetap latihan. And then some of us went to Thailand as well to represent Nona Batavia. Kayak ada 4 orang, di kita ada 2 offense dan 2 defense. Udah sih, paling kita ada kegiatan lagi gak sih? Tolong bantu gue sih.
Gak ada.
Nggak sih, paling itu sih Nona Batavia dan latihan-latihan dan a bit slacking off I think. Jadi ya itu aja.
And it showed up.
Iya. Sengaja emang kepancing. Siapa yang kepancong nih?
Pengen ngomong gak?
Iya. Ya itu sih. That's for us.
How about for the Dracarys team? How'd you guys?
So for us, basically more or less the same. We practiced more, tapi emang kali ini di off season kita specifically nyari pemain-pemain baru, terutama untuk receivers, gara-gara di offense kita kekurangan orang dari tahun lalu sebenarnya. Jadi tahun ini fokus kita adalah mencari pemain baru sih sebenarnya di off season gitu.
Okay. Nah, di final Batavia 2023, I'm sorry for bringing up the past. You guys lost.
Keep bringing up the past.
Talk about the present.
Outside of looking for new players atau rekrut baru, apa aja sih yang kalian lakuin in the off season?
Buat kita sih karena ada kembali lagi ke pemain baru, building that chemistry sih, starting from zero between QB and receiver and between receivers was the hardest part gitu. So that was our extra work that we needed to do in the off season sebenarnya. Gimana Dracarys Warwolves?
Apa tadi pertanyaannya? Setelah dari final.
Iya, dari final tahun lalu until last pre-season, what changed? What did you guys improve on?
What's change? Kita juga ada sedikit perubahan di line up. Ada sedikit perubahan di line up juga. Kita ada punya new QB, maksudnya tambahan QB. Tapi kalau Dracarys bilang dia fokus on finding new
players.
Iya, new players. Kok kita nggak nemu ya? Iya, mungkin itu juga salah satu yang lagi masih kita lakukan sampai sekarang, nggak tahu udah terlambat atau belum. Tapi ya cuma ada satu pemain, beberapa pemain baru lah, cuma dikit. Terus ya ada slightly changes in our defense and offense as well. Jadi ya still adjustment juga sih sama new defense-nya dan offense-nya juga, karena kebetulan ada yang baru di offense adalah Kibi. We have new Kibi, sebelumnya dia main center. Cuma kemarin dia main Kibi dan itu juga masih proses latihan lah. Ya tadi yang seperti yang Sisi bilang bahwa it's hard. The hardest part is like building the chemistry between the receivers and the Kibi ya. Jadi itu yang lagi kita lakuin juga sih.
Padahal tinggal RT aja kalau gitu.
Iya sih, bener juga ya. Sorry.
Nice. Nah, tadi kan kita sempat bahas ada banyak nih perubahan mulai dari line up, anak-anak baru, mungkin formasi baru. What is the biggest improvement that you guys have for your teams? Mungkin bisa dimulai dari Dakaris. What's your biggest improvement from last year and today? Last game.
The biggest improvement, we finally have a full roster. Karena from last year, we were struggling. Maksudnya gue pun disuruh tiba jadi rusher, and then defense main offense, offense main defense. That was the biggest struggle for us last year. Dan itu yang kita benar-benar improve tahun ini. We have to have everybody in every position. Dan itu yang we finally have di preseason kemarin sih.
So now for Dakaris, setiap orang udah bisa fokus ke posisi masing-masing.
Betul,
kan?
jangan suruh gue
harus
rushing
adjust.
lagi, coach.
How about for the Werewolves?
Looking for the results sih nggak improve ya menurut gue.
Damn.
Yeah, that shows. Tapi apa ya, improvement. I think the chemistry between us, karena we spend so much time together, basically. Ya more or less gitulah. Ya, we have still kayak masih banyak yang perlu di benerin, maksudnya diperbaiki lagi dari hasil kemarin gitu, dari preseason. Jadi kita sih merasa ya ini it's not the result that we wanted, cuma ya kita jadi belajar lah, jadi tahu bahwa oh ternyata emang masih, kalau kita merasa kita improve, oh ternyata hasilnya
Think again.
ya mungkin. Oke. Ya gitu sih. Ya buat kita itu. Jadi agak nggak kejawab ya.
Okay, then I guess my next question for you, especially as buat Werewolves, what do you think your team yang harus diimprove tuh apa aja sih, dari bidang defense kah, commitment or coaches maybe?
Kalau dari pribadi, karena gue main as DB and kebetulan the captain of defense team juga. Jadi I think defense is about like communication and synchronization. I think that's what lacks di WW gitu, karena talking about the discipline gitu, itu juga mungkin salah satu faktor gitu. Kemarin dari off season kalau bisa dibilang kayak lumayan susah untuk ngumpulin latihan yang kayak kita bener-bener main latihan bareng terus gitu. Biasanya si A ada tapi B-nya nggak ada. Terus minggu depannya si B-nya ada, C-nya yang nggak ada gitu. Jadi itu juga susah bikin untuk kita sinkron as defense gitu. Itu sama ya, kita juga ada tambahan di offense. Jadi itu juga dia harus adjust lah dengan tim baru, kibi baru, kayak gitu sih kalau dari kita.
So kalau di summarize lebih ke commitment and just adjusting to other people.
Iya.
Their
Dengerin
schedules.
tolong Wewe. Canda.
Cool. Kita coba ngobrol soal Sisi bentar ya. Jadi
Ya, boleh.
let's get back to the preseason kemarin. Di babak kualifikasi Dakaris sempat ketemu Werewolves dan menang dengan skor, was it 25-6?
Six.
She remembers. It was
Obviously.
Nah, Dakaris setelah itu sempat ketemu Gorgons juga dengan skor 18-0. Nah, kayaknya seru untuk kita bahas ketemu Gorgons. Nah, bisa diceritain dikit nggak apa yang terjadi di saat melawan Gorgons, and what was your biggest target going through Gorgons and going through Werewolves?
Oke, kalau sama Werewolves, karena we've gone against them in the past, so we knew straight up what we had to do with the Werewolves. But with Gorgons, karena they have new players, new set of people, walaupun ada beberapa yang sama juga dari tahun lalu, it was a lot of experimenting sih with Gorgons gitu. We had to experiment how offense had to deal with their defense and vice versa. Dan di situ we did struggle. I have to admit, we did struggle. Kenapa? Again, with the new players, especially in offense, we wanted to give them a shot in that experimental process gitu. Jadi there was a lot of trying new plays, trying new players, new set of players gitu-gitu sih. So that was a lot of struggle behind the play with Gorgons instead of Werewolves gitu sih sebenarnya.
Which one was harder, with Gorgons or
Jawab.
Which one was harder? Obviously, for us, both of them were like equally hard. Cuman
Jawaban aman tapi oke, I'll take that.
Agak nervous nih gue di sini, agak equally hard. Iya makanya nih banyak anak wewe nih masalahnya.
Gak ada sama sekali, gak ada sama sekali.
Gak ada Drakaris. Both of them were equally hard, tapi because we experimented more with Gorgons, I think that's what made it harder for us gitu, the experimenting process gitu, that it showed gitu, if you don't come prepared and you want to experiment on the field, that's what you get, intinya gitu sih gitu. But that was the risk we were willing to take sih at the moment gitu with Gorgons.
So you played offense against their defense, right?
Yes.
Now their defense, they had this player Aput. She
Aput.
won best defensive player.
Yes.
For preseason, she had a couple of interceptions against you guys. How'd you guys adjust to their defense?
So first we tried new plays and obviously it didn't work out karena boleh ke Aput instead of me karena di-interceptnya di gue. Oops, sorry Claire. Tapi basically what we eventually ended up doing karena udah ke-intercept 2 kali dan memalukan, akhirnya kita kayak let's just stick to the basics, let's not do this now, kayak we still need to win. Jadi kembali lagi we went back to our basic plays and stuff like that. Enough experimenting after
And
that
it works,
hard
yeah.
and it worked exactly. So yeah.
Cool. Nah, Galuh,
Yes.
it's your time to talk. Nah, di babak kualifikasi kemarin, setelah kalah lawan Dakaris, you guys went up against the Panthers and balled out. You guys went
Yes.
for 40-0. Now, on your first play and your first drive, itu langsung touchdown dari
Yeah.
ujung ke ujung.
Yeah.
Also, you've had a few interceptions, I guess. So,
One, I think.
Congratulations on that.
Two. We have 2 interceptions, yes.
yes. What field you guys? Yeah, of course. What else?
Jadi pas abis kita tanding lawan Drakaris kan di pagi kan kita jadi tahu kita kalau lawan Drakaris, then we need to catch up in the next game gitu. Dan kebetulan peringkat itu ditentukan oleh score difference.
Exactly.
Dan we're up against Panthers which scored like 52-0 to Wandas gitu. Jadi mereka punya point advantage yang benar-benar besar gitu. Jadi kita harus catch up itu gitu. Jadi dan kita ngitung benar-benar abis pertandingan si Wandas dan
You're gonna bring
Panthers.
up Wandas
Iya,
in
kita
this
ngitung
podcast.
kayak
Sorry.
lanjut.
Iya, oh iya benar.
Shout out to my girls.
Good job,
lanjut.
Ya kita benar-benar ngitung. I literally ngeluarin kalkulator dan ngitung kayak kita harus create gap berapa sih gitu.
36.
Yes. We come up 36, 37. That's point difference. Terus ya udah, jadi we all know the target kayak we want to be in the final for sure. Jadi yaudah we set the target straight that we need to beat Panthers dengan poin minimal 37. Sorry, agak
Yeah,
mix.
36, but then
36, 36,
either way
37.
you went to 40. So
Ya, abis itu sebenarnya ada pertandingan yang lumayan menentukan juga, which is Drakaris lawan Gorgons karena
Yes.
kan kalian di pertandingan sebelumnya dan sebenarnya itu bisa menentukan karena Gorgons juga lawan Wandas tuh 3-5-0. Jadi
Nah, yeah, okay. I
sorry,
get
didn't mean to highlight that. But
Tapi
again, good job
host boleh
Wandas.
nggak? Jadi canggung.
Iya, itu juga lumayan menentukan karena kalau point difference-nya dikit gitu bisa jadi ternyata Gorgons yang
final.
Iya, dan lo sengaja kan sebenarnya.
Enggak. Iya lagi.
Nah, ya jadi kita udah set the target straight, yaudah. Dan tadi you mention about the first drive and
Yeah.
langsung TD,
Touchdown.
it
Side to
sets
side.
up the mood like really high. Like kita langsung kayak oh my let's go gitu. Kita bener kayak kerasukan sih menurut gue, kayak ada kerasukan momen kita di situ bahwa kita ngeliat Uti dan itu playnya kayak toss terus langsung lari dari ujung ke ujung. It sets up the mood really high. Terus ya udah after that kayak we keep scoring and then I got the pick 6.
Put it in there.
Ya itu jadi kayak itu juga makin meninggikan hype kita. Jadi oke, yaudah kita kejar terus sampai target yang kita butuhkan gitu. Dan turns out in the first half I think we already reach almost 40 kalau nggak salah ya. Jadi ya itu ya karena target kita emang ketemu Drakaris lagi di final gitu.
gotta come
Nah,
back
ya.
and meet them again.
Yes, of course. Ya masa enggak gitu.
Nah,
Gitu.
moving forward, let's talk about the game you guys had at the preseason at the end.
Oh, kirain buat Tevia boleh mau dibahas.
Gak usah. Cut.
langsung banting gitu. Okay, so of course Dakar is
Maaf, ini boleh matiin dulu gak sih?
Dakar is 147 to 24. And it was actually fun. Everyone loved it. Cuman yang aku pengen tahu dari sisi Galuhnya sendiri, defense sempat kebobolan in the first drive. What happened there?
Ya itu, jadi lumayan target kita sebenarnya untuk nahan in the first drive. Karena itu yang terjadi bukan membicarakan, not talking about the past, tapi itu yang terjadi di pas Batavia Bowl tahun lalu. Ketika kita berhasil menahan offense Dracarys in the first drive, itu kayak kita berharap akan naikin mood kita sama kayak Uti score in the first drive gitu. Jadi sebenarnya itu targetnya. Cuma
So it's karma.
Cuma kebetulan ternyata
He said
manusia
it.
hanya berencana ya. Ternyata Claire yang menentukan.
Shout out to my QB, Claire. I love you.
Claire dan Sisi yang menentukan.
I love you, Claire.
Iya, jadi it failed sayangnya gitu. Ya lumayan for me kayak dang, kayak I had one job, kayak at least the first drive we need to kayak
Stop them.
stop them gitu. Cuma it failed ya. Dan ya itu kan juga pertandingan terakhir ya, kita udah main dari pagi, sempat ada istirahat, kemudian ya oke everyone's tired, oke I know. Terus kayak sebelumnya kita juga baru main persis kayak 30 menit sebelumnya gitu, kita cuma pengen istirahat
Iya,
sekitar
itu benar.
Ya, sedangkan lu udah kongko-kongko kan.
Yeah, and it was hot as hell juga gak sih?
Iya.
Pas siang ya, betul.
Iya.
Benar.
Iya, jadi kayaknya lumayan agak terguncang untuk gue pribadi ya. Padahal itu kayak baru first drive gitu. Jadi, what was the question again?
What went wrong? What went wrong?
Oh, what went wrong? Okay.
All of that went wrong. All of that went
Balik
wrong.
lagi.
That's just the start before everything goes wrong. Enggak, tapi for me ya di defense-nya I think we need to work more on the defense team, knowing that they have the best QB, like one of the best QB in Indonesia, and also best receivers as well gitu. Jadi menurut gue emang defense kita yang ya note to myself juga bahwa emang melawan offense kayak Claire, kayak Sisi, kayak Kasha, hello, shout out to you, mother. ya melawan offense kayak gitu, kayak kita harus lebih come prepared sih, karena menurut gue itu tadi sempat dibahas di awal kayak lack of discipline, ya itu juga it shows gitu. Despite of that, kayak our offense I think did the job pretty well. I mean they scored. Kita sempat nutup gap kayak cuma beda 1 TD kan kalau nggak salah itu, walaupun ya Dracarys keep scoring, and also our offense kayak berusaha menyamakan, tapi I think still not enough. Jadi ya lesson learned-nya adalah ya I need to work more on defense, kayak myself and also the team as well gitu.
So your biggest improvement during the Batavia Bowl next is to improve your defense. Ya?
Yes.
Itu paling penting. Cool.
Iya. Nggak usah dibahas, boleh nggak?
It's actually on the notes, kayak Galuh kena slant post Kasha. I just didn't want to bring it up.
Dia udah baik. Iya, jadi itu emang agak-agak tolol ya. Nggak, satu lagi yang menurut gue lupa di highlight adalah kita agak terlambat doing the adjustment. Kayak they keep scoring using the same, I don't know, maybe plays. Ya pokoknya ya atau emang yang diincer gue doang, I don't know gitu. Tapi kayak
Trying to expose Galuh.
iya, cuma dan kita telat untuk melakukan adjustment gitu. Kita juga punya ya gue juga nggak ngeh untuk melakukan adjustment. Dari coachesnya juga mungkin juga masih adjust kayak apa ya yang perlu diperbaiki gitu. Jadi saat itu menurut gue kita terlambat melakukan adjustment karena we keep doing one line defense, which menurut gue nggak perlu untuk lawan QB kayak Claire, kayak ngapain sosok one line.
Seneng banget gue ngeliat one line, Claire lihat, gue bilang gitu, one line.
Who called it? Was it you or the coaches?
Karena sebelumnya pas kita lawan Panthers kita main one line and it worked really well gitu. Tapi ternyata mungkin kita terlena akan keadaan yang ada gitu. Jadi pas one line dan kita kayaknya masih sampai second half gitu, masih sama. Terus kita baru kayak tersadar apa yang kita lakukan selama ini. Kayak kenapa kita one line gitu. Ya abis itu gue juga merasa mungkin gue juga udah capek, jadi gue kayak kena terus gitu. Dan at the very end kayak beberapa drive terakhir gue akhirnya kayak bilang ke salah satu of the players bilang ke Jess kayak Jess kayaknya gantian deh yang lo yang di belakang dan gue yang di depan gitu. Dan bisa ternyata. Jadi ternyata masalahnya siapa?
Kagak lu.
My bad. Oh. Ya itu sih. Jadi ya
It takes a proper leader to take, accountability.
Ya, walaupun
Itu.
agak telat,
Iya.
tapi nggak apa. Sorry.
Iya, kurang adjustment sih. Padahal ya it's all about adjustment. Apalagi lawan tim sekuat Dracarys gitu. Kita terlambat.
Nah, untuk Sisi, you've been hearing all talk from Galuh about how the werewolves have.
Taking notes by the
Yeah.
way.
She's kind of
Enjoy your little moments.
a lot of details kayak one line, all that stuff.
Ada Claire di kuping nih.
Kalau nggak salah kita defense selanjutnya kayak bentuk ular. Iya benar.
Nah, you've been hearing her. Nah, gimana sih rasanya like you've been able to stop them twice in a day, knowing that they've, lumayan tuh dari tadi kepanasan, pengen banget lawan Dracarys lagi, pengen banget compete against you guys. So what happened during the finals? And I think you guys almost had a touchdown in each drive. What went through your head? What went through the coach's head? What happened internally for the Dracarys?
Wah bener-bener nahan ketawa dia. Mungkin dia otak dia kayak segini doang. Ngaku.
Well, obviously the biggest fuel was last year's results. Kayak ke tahun ini kita dengan udah improve a few things, we wanted to see results from that improvement gitu. Jadi that was the biggest fuel. Cuman kenapa bisa menang 2 kali? Pertanyaan
Galuh.
baik.
Keep bringing that up.
Kayaknya I do call for offense at least to score that many points. Itu I do have to give credit to Claire. Gitu dia obviously with 1 year full of experience apa segala macam. I will say I'm relatively calm when I'm on the field with her because I know she'll do all the thinking. Gak usah mikir, enak banget tinggal lari kasih bola.
Iblis emang.
Gitu. So in terms of her reading the defense, itu for her it already comes very naturally gitu. So we don't even have a playbook at the moment gitu for preseason. All
Such
she
a
did
Galuh, what the hell?
all she did was
Okay.
look at the defense. No, karena in the
Look at
first
defense,
game with the first game against Werewolves, we tried using several plays that the coaches and Claire had discussed previously. Dan kelihatan it didn't come naturally to Claire gitu karena malah jadi banyak mikir gitu. Sementara in the finals dia lepas banget gitu. Dia ngeliat kayak kagak lu slant 3 kali lewat gas kita slant terus.
Gak cuma gue ya.
Gitu kayak a lot of
Galuh.
Semua.
a lot of like adjustment that she did on the spot gitu. Jadi I will give it to her. She was all the brains to everything during the finals and the group stage. Cuman overall karena kita roster udah full juga, I think that teamwork itu sih yang bener-bener made the difference between this preseason and last year gitu sih sebenarnya.
Now, I have a question about your team itself. Do you say that Dracarys itu lebih ke tim offense atau tim defense?
Defense for sure. Defense.
That-
Oh.
Rock solid defense man kayak
They're locked
all
down.
timnas. Jadi kayak
Iya,
it's
defense
very
kita
hard.
banyak
We also
timnas.
have also solid offense tapi
Tapi
kayak
iya, justru itu fun fact, kita bikin defense segitunya itu karena mereka bikin offense segitunya. We saw Werewolves, semua wire iblis diambil sama Werewolves.
Hah?
Ya
Coba
udah.
aja. Hah?
Wire iblis. Akhirnya kita dengan counter itu dengan kayak we'll have the best defense possible
Iya.
to counter that gitu. Dan kebetulan defense gak banyak berubah. Ada 2 pemain yang menurut kita key juga in our new defense sekarang yang made a big difference juga sebenarnya. Cuman overall the chemistry for defense itu udah ada banget.
Parah sih,
gitu.
parah sih. Dan
Gitu.
mereka nambahin dikit, defense Dracarys tuh nggak cuma main di Dracarys bareng, kayak di
Yeah.
played in timnas together and also Nona
bareng.
Batavia together. Jadi kayak udah
Iya,
gitu.
the chemistry. Jadi kayak
Satu apa passing di sini?
udah cukup. Gitu.
We should have a trade thing going on for the girls. Okay, Pina. I'm kidding. Nah,
Kita mau merger bahkan.
Iya, jadi
Warriors.
Just play together.
Warriors.
Iya.
Werewolves Dracarys.
Nah, selain tim kalian berdua juga kan ada tim lain. There's the Gorgons, which is also a new team. I think they're
Yeah.
a rebranded team.
Rebranding.
Gazelles.
And then the Panthers, and of course the wonderful women Panthers. According to both of you guys, how did they do in the preseason? We could start with Gallo. What do you think about Gorgons and the Panthers and the Wandas?
I think they did pretty well. Wandas sih kita belum pernah lihat ya. Jadi I think it's the first time for pretty much everyone to see Wandas playing. Karena kayaknya kita belum pernah ada yang sparring sama dia. Kita nggak tahu siapa aja sebenarnya Wandas itu gitu. Cuma I think gimana sih? Ya maksudnya itu Wandas. And then also Panthers. I see Panthers kayak mereka nih orang-orang baru yang lagi passionate banget menurut gue. Kayak I think they practice like pretty much every day. Ya kayaknya kayak they had like rugby session like
almost
8
every
days
day.
a week I think. Iya jadi kayak and it shows kayak ya chemistry-nya ada, kayak the fight is also there gitu. And also Gorgons sih gue agak penasaran sebenarnya karena belum pernah ketemu, belum pernah sparring juga. And knowing the players kayak they have like new Kibinya kan kalau nggak salah main juga. Dan mereka banyak yang main di minor league kan. Dan kalau nggak salah
I think all three teams kayak kebanyakan anak minor.
Iya kayak kalau nggak salah si Jamila and Tep juga kan main di Pina Colada. I think kayak final deh Pina Colada sama Red Bull, right? Ya itu juga bagus gitu. And also Jamila juga had the experience kayak Merdeka Bowl tahun lalu kalau nggak salah dia juga main gitu. Jadi dan orang-orang kayak Aput, dia kan juga udah Foxes.
And I think a bunch of the Red Bull players actually played for the Panthers.
Iya, betul. Ya, itu jadi kayak mereka kayak makanya ya too bad kayak kita nggak bisa ngeliat dua tim lain yang nggak ikut preseason padahal sebenarnya pengen banget juga ya ngeliat dua tim lain gitu.
The other teams are Orcas and what's
Orions.
Orions. What do you guys think about them?
Tapi mereka ada ya di bench ya.
Ada, tapi nggak main
Di
aja.
kursi penonton ada, di tribun maksudnya.
Iya, nge-taking down notes.
Emang cuma-
Kalau kagak lu slant itu dapat gitu.
Lihat nanti liga gua nggak main DB, lu lihat gua main WR.
Pindah.
Pindah.
DB and WR.
WR.
Everywhere.
Iya.
Tahun depan coach. Wandas we need a coach.
Ini rekrutmen ini. Udah gue pulang aja deh kalau gitu.
Nah, out of the three teams that played in the preseason, I'm guessing kalian sempat nonton mereka. Who do you think is gonna make a big surprise?
Out of the three teams ya.
Yeah.
Surprise, I think Panthers. I will say because they are the sama kayak Wandas maybe they're very new ibaratnya gitu compared to Gorgons. They have more seasoned players, I would say, more experience. So for that element of surprise, I do see Panthers. Sorry, Wandas, but like I do see Panthers showing something that will be surprising to all of us because the skills that they have now, they just need more like seasoning, you know, they just need a bit more experience.
Salt,
and I can
pepper.
a little bit salt, pepper, and I can totally see them like being a huge competitor for the Batavia
Wolves,
Bowl.
not Drake.
Makanya agak gini. Kamera dia tadi agak nunjuk.
Hati-hati lo.
Canda. Takut. Yeah, I think Panthers in my opinion.
How about you, Gallo? Who do you think is gonna make a big kejutan?
Ya Panthers as well and Gorgons sih itu juga yang.
Oh really? Not the really?
Oh sorry ulang. Kan kita ulang. I think Women Pandas would make a big surprise ya.
I don't know what, but something.
Ya itu sih. Ya Panthers juga setuju sih sebenarnya dan ya karena pribadi penasaran sama Gorgons karena kita nggak pernah ngelawan mereka. Kalau Panthers udah pernah jadi kayak benar-benar bisa jadi surprise as in surprise karena tapi gini gitu.
Gini cara lawan Panthers.
Gorgons.
Gorgons. Gorgons.
Iya itu sih.
Oke. Nah setelah the preseason kemarin, apa aja sih yang persiapan kalian buat kedepannya untuk season in a few months?
Ya kalau dari Werewolf sih for sure kayak we need to be more disciplined karena ya tadi tinggal beberapa bulan lagi gitu jadi dan kita tahu apa kelemahan kita gitu apa kelemahan gue gitu jadi I think ya preseason helped a lot sih in a way kayak untuk ngukur kan itu emang untuk testing the water kayak not only our team tapi gimana tim lain juga gitu jadi ya to be more disciplined and then ya more commit ya sama ya latihan lebih rajin lagi aja sih gitu kalau
How
kita.
about from the Dracarys side?
For Dracarys, I think again with the new people in our roster, the biggest takeaway from this preseason is that they do need more seasoning. Same with Panthers, gitu. A little bit of salt and pepper, because that was their first debut. Ibaratnya for half of my offense, for my receivers, half of my receivers are all very, very new. Debut was
Their debut?
their debut was in the preseason. So that is our biggest takeaway from this preseason, is that we need to keep them up to speed in order to beat strong teams like the Warwolves and the Wandas and the Panthers.
Very strong.
And you know, the
You got
other
hearts.
teams, you know, because the gap is getting closer. I would say this season, I think between each team, the gap is definitely closer. So I think that is the hardest part, yeah.
Okay.
And also pasti tim lain juga
Berpikiran yang sama.
berpikiran yang
Iya.
sama. Jadi kayak,
Whatever you guys were saying, they're taking notes right now.
deng.
Kita pulang.
Enggak sih, kita kan kayaknya nggak akan ngapa-ngapain ya.
Iya, kayak kita nggak ikut deh season ini,
kita kayak
bahkan.
chill aja gitu.
Nah, to set the mood for the season, nanti bentar lagi, I got one last question for both of you. Mungkin dimulai dari Galuh. What does the Dracarys mean to Warwolves in one word?
For sure. Itu udah dua, canda. Rivalry. Karena ya kita tahu lah, kita selalu gitu. But not off the field ya, cuma on the field.
Iya, iya.
doang.
Disclaimer.
Iya, jadi rivalry karena benar-benar
How about for the Dracarys? What does the Werewolves mean to them?
sampai bilang saingan.
She don't say sidekicks.
Oh deng. Awas lu ya.
24 gitu.
I would say partner.
Oh, scratch my rivalry.
I would say partner.
Friends.
I think because you know they are like
Old
most of
sister vibes banget.
Oh. Kita merger guys, kita announcement kita merger.
partner. I think more or less because a lot of our players play together outside of this season and all the clubs and stuff like that. So I think they're our biggest partner in terms of rivalry, in terms of sparring partner and stuff like that. So a lot of, you know, our competition, I feel like, is between for us is the Warwolves at the end of the day. So they are a big partner to us in a lot of the
That's
things
very
that we
touching.
do.
Boleh
Everyone's crying.
ngelap tisu dulu.
Nah, since we've got the league coming up, masing-masing dari kalian harapannya apa aja sih buat the league?
Liganya. To be more competitive, karena the more the merrier. Ya itu tadi kayak kemarin dua tim yang lain kemarin gak ikutan. Cuma ya itu to be more competitive and apa ya? Ya basically untuk menghasilkan bibit-bibit baru untuk WFF juga gitu kan. Jadi biar community-nya juga keep growing dan terus ntar kita bisa main, harapannya nanti mungkin dari liga ketemu bibit-bibit baru, ntar bisa main di tim maybe international, maybe Jakarta gitu. Ya itu sih kalau gue.
Yeah, more or less for me it's the same. Yeah, more or less the same. But obviously we want like a healthy competition more than anything.
Yeah.
I think at the end of the day we're all friends outside of the clubs, so I think we have to keep and maintain that as well. That's my biggest hope, at least. Gitu. So don't let any rivalry get in between us.
No, we're
Sisterhood,
friends.
Galuh.
Scratch that, we're friends.
Anyways, girls, that is it for today. Thank you so much for making the time to come talk to me and talk more about Warwolves and Dracarys and your.
Next time we'll talk about Wandas more.
Oh, we will.
Thank you for having us.
He's gonna roast me. 50-0. Why? I'm kidding. Anyways, shout out to all the participating teams for the season. We've got Warwolves, Dracarys, Orcas, Panthers, Gorgons, Orion, and the Women Pandas. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in.
Thank you.
See you next week.
Bye-bye.